This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver maple interior, Sleep 7, oven, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, leveling jacks, TV, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, awning, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is 12,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.